Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. From here you need to select Notifications and click on See All from last 7 days. When you're ready, click on Most Recent and select one of those options, like for example, Most Frequent. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now off, but you can always turn them back on by choosing the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!